Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do butterfly locks on natural dreadlocks. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button. My client here requested for longer locks as compared to her own natural locks. So I had to extend her own natural locks with the butterfly lock extension. So to extend, I use the crochet and the wool, then I tie the natural dreadlock to the butterfly dreadlock. After extending the dreadlock, I had to take my afro bulk fiber and start to wrap up the natural dreadlock so that it can match with the butterfly lock that I put at the end. You keep on doing the same process until you reach where you added the other butterfly lock. Thank you so much for watching my video, and this is the result that we get after extending her own dreadlock with the butterfly locks. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please like my videos. I really appreciate any questions. I'll be in the comment section. Mwah.